Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Deanna and today I'm going to show you my collab that I am participating in. Well, I'm going to show you my page from the collab that I am participating in, and it's called #CollageWithUs, and it's hosted by, hold on, I wrote it down inside my book. Come Collage With Us, hosted by Maniac Grammys Homestead, whose name is Brenda, and also by Alma Tyser. So I let my granddaughter draw on this book, and so I'm just kind of took it back from her so I could use it for this collab. But they already had fall, winter, Valentine's, Easter, and now it's cats and dogs for April. So I've only done cats and dogs. I'm going to try and catch up with fall, winter, Christmas, Valentine's, Easter. So I did leave some blank pages. But this month of April is cats and dogs. But I didn't have any dogs, so I only did cats. So I just used my Stamperia paper, and here I just cut the paper down to size and glued it on here. And then I fussy cut these sentiments. This one says, time spent with cats is never wasted. This one said, life is better with cats, and cats choose us, we don't own them. And I wanted this to kind of free flow, but I think I'm gonna have to glue down this bottom right here. I think I'll do it right now. So it'll still flow, but, oops, my glue doesn't want to come out. It'll still flow, but I just need to tack down the bottom. Oh, shoot. Now I got some on my finger, but I don't want to waste it. So here we go. Using some of my art glitter glue. Okay. So then I fussy cut this cat. And I popped it up. It's hard to see, but I popped it up on, what do you call that? Double-sided 2-edge foam tape. And then the second page is also cats. And I fussy cut these cats out. I also fussy cut this little circle out. This is all Stamperia paper. And it's hard to see, but underneath here, this paper, I just collaged it together because it was separate pieces of paper, and I just did like a collage. Yeah, I just pasted and put the paper together to cover this page. Then I cut out this cat, and I cut out some of the other, some of this flowers here, the orchids, and I put the cat here, and then this is basically the same cat, just sleeping, different positions. And this says, what greater gift than the love of a cat? And I'm not even a cat person, but I have a lot of friends who have cats, and they love their cats. And I thought this page came out really good. So this Stamperia paper, I think, was all about cats. So that is my collage, and I hope you guys like it. And go out and check out all the videos. I know I am, for Collage With Us. Bye, everybody.